Hey everyone, so today we have an interesting HVAC issue that I found with the infrared camera. So I'm going to turn the camera around here. So here I'm on the second floor and you'll see this larger vent here in the ceiling is what they call a return vent. And that is where the air is kind of sucked back into the HVAC system when you're running the furnace or the air conditioner. You'll see on the far walls here, these would be the supply vents where the air comes out. So there's a supply vent, there's the return vent, and then on this far side here you've got another supply vent. Well, what's interesting is that with my infrared camera, let me show you what's happening here. So the infrared, if you'll see it there, see how that the larger return vent is actually showing blue. What's happening is cold air is actually coming out of that return vent. So the installer actually mistakenly installed it as a supply instead of a return. So if we go over to the what are supposed to be the supply vents, you'll see there's no air coming out of those because they're probably functioning as a return. And again, here we got the return functioning as a supply, and then again the far one over here is, there's no airflow coming out of that one. So just a little screw up on the install, and something that's easy to find with our infrared camera. Thanks everyone.